Number 31. 50 the ball. Pass to number 17. 17 back to 31. Steal. Counter steals. Steal by number, pass to number 7. Layout by number 22. No good. Put back by number 1. In 1. Number 7, sorry. 26. Sayang, maglalaro sana ako. For the shot, basket. Number 7. Mark, pass to number 17. Pass to Mark, no good. Yellow ball. Foul. On number 20, 22. Foul 22. Inbound by number 17. By number 22. Oops, hold on. Ano to? Basket counted, end of the first quarter. 16 by 0. Oh my. Go on. Okay. Second quarter.
1, 2, 3.
VIP ball. Our score is 16-0 in favor of VIP. Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Take a shot, a 3-point shot. All good. Rebounded by number 2. Pass to number 31. 31. Oh! Too strong. Turnover. Blue ball. 4. Pass to number 7. 3-point shot. Basket! Number 7, 3 points! Mark dribbling the ball, pass to number 14, 14. Layup, foul by number 2. Foul on number 2. Lucky foul. Pass number 14, 14, steal. By number 8, 7, 22, pass number 2, 2. Nice shot by number 2. Layup by number 2. 31, pass to number 14, 14, take a shot. Basket by number 14. Number 4, crossing the half court, pass to number 17, 3-point shot, no good, Mark, rebound the ball, pass to number 14, 14, no good, number 7, Passing by Mark. Number 4. Pass to number 2. Steal by number 17. Pass to 31. 31. Steal by number 22. 22 layup. Basket by number 22. Nice score. Steal again, number 4. Basket again by number 4. Score. 16-2. Two shots.
Sub. After. Next sub, rep. Next sub. Sub. Sub.
Yanni. Marco.
Yanni out. Number 18, Ian in.
7 out.
First shot is good. Number 4. Xander. Last shot. Good again. Mr. Xander. 31. Shooting the ball. Looking for his teammates. Pass to Mark. Pass to number 31. Lane violation. Turnover by Amy.
Ay, guys, mo ako sumali. Sali mo. Sana nakalala. Paano nakalala? Ako nga, hindi na pala ako pinayagan. Paano yung uniform mo pala nandun? Sorry, kunin ko na. Oh, pili ko.
So, hindi na kailangan.
Hindi na.
Sige. Hindi, okay na. Okay lang. Tanong mo lang ako.
Number 0. Layup. Good. 17. Rebound. Yellow ball. Number 2. Number 14. Number 8. 0. 0 layup. No good. Number 14. Pass to number 2. Oh. Number 14 again. Pass to number 2. Basket by number 2.
Sub ba? Sub?
Next up, Red. Next up. Zero steal by 17. 17. Goes to goals. No good. Oh, almost. Stop, Red. Stop. Stop. Number 2. Turnover again by Amy. Mark, sige rin. Ano mic na? 22, three-point shot. Okay. 26. Pass to number 2. Good. Almost. Foul on number 22. Pushing foul. 2 shots. 2 free throws for Mr. Malingit. Sorry. First shot. So good. Score natin, Mark.
Ring so slowly.
Last shot, Mr. Balingit. Double again. Number 22, pass to number 18, 8. Number 22, oh, steal. Counter steal. Steal by Mark. Number 2, nice layout by number 3. Oh, lane violation. It's Ellie's ball. Sub. Yanni out. Yanni, sorry. Junior out.
Remaining time. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Traveling without license. Traveling violation. Number 0, 3-point shot. No good. Number 3, foul by number 0. Foul by number 0.
Rep, post foul, rep.
0, 0. Sub. Amy. Seventeen out, 1 in. Number 2. Pass to number 3. Pass again. 3-point shot by Mark. No good. 0. Pass to number Rojas. Layup. No good. 18. No good again. Steal by Mark. Pass to number 3. 3. Layup. Pass to his teammate, number 14. 3 seconds by number 14. Nice rep.
40 seconds, remaining time.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
Seconds.
3-point shot. Good. Number 3. Third the ball. Goes to post. Foul. Pressing foul by number 3. Our time is
10 seconds.
10 seconds left. Count. End of the second quarter. Our score is score po natin
28 score. VIP 28. 6
22-point lead by BIP Finance. Gusto kong sumab, hindi ako makalaro. Okay, let's go back. Third quarter na. Third quarter. Third quarter. 22-point lead by BIP. Number 1, pass to number 3. Back to 5. 26, pass to number 2. No good. Oh, number 3, the ball. Underneath. No good. Same ball. Yellow ball. Number 3. Pass to number 3. Oh, almost steal. 6. Steal by number 2. Foul. Foul number 3. Hold on.
That's sorry on purpose.
Wait. It's referee inside.
No more foul.
Foul number 3.
Okay.
Number 5. Number 4. 3-point shot. By number 7. Rebounded by number 3. Oh, steal. Number 4. Layup. Yeah, good. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2. No good. Number 2. Pass to number 4. Number 4. No good. Number 14, number 1, number 2, no good. Same ball. Number 3, basket by number 3.
Red, stop.
3-point shot, number 7, basket. 3 points. Number 7. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 26, 3-point shot, no good. Rebounded by Junior. Steal by Mark. Pass to number 3. Foul. Foul number 2. Foul number 2.
Red, stop, red.
Rep, stop, rep. Number 3. 14. Underneath. No good. Steal by Junior. Pass to number 7. 7 layup. Basket by number 7. Number 3. Harassing by Rojas. Pass to number 2. Back to number 2. Pass to 14. No good. Number 4. Sander. Pass to number 7. No good. Steal by Mark. Pass to number 3. Layup again. Number 7. Waiting for his teammates. Setting for the play. 3-point shot by Rojas. Rojas! 3 points! Number 1. Pass to number 3. 3. Layup. No good.
Red, time out, red, time out.
Who's time out? Our score 36-8 in favor of VIP. Under 5 minutes left in the third quarter. 36 by 8.
Again, you're too late in recovering. Once the ball is still on that side. Okay? Let them pass the hard way. And very go back. Okay? Hey. Okay? Team.
1, 2, 3, team.
Back to the ball game. Blue ball. 18 is inbounding the ball. Another 5 minutes left. Third quarter. Xander.
Andy! Balita. Oh, yo. Camera? Anong camera? Ay, hindi ko nga kanina. Oh, ito na kasi announcer na ako, saka video ako. Nalilito ako eh. Ito ngayon, nakaano na ako. Sige, inaano ko na. Napapanood mo pala. Ito ngayon, ayos na. Ayos na. Sige, kasi nalilito ako eh. Sige. Okay na. Sige. Sige. Okay. Thank you. Yung camera daw na iwan sa live. Kasalanan ko pala.
Blue ball. Pass. Rojas. Oh, shit. 3-point shot by Xander. No good. Steal by. Counter steal by number 7. 18. Foul by number 17.
Third personal foul.
2 shots.
17.
2 shots for Ian. No good. First shot is no good. Score 36 and 8 in favor of VIP. Last shots. Basket. Number 3. Racing and pass to number 14. Smart. No good. Rebound by Ian. Pass to Xander. Pass to Rojas. Take the shot. No good. Rebounded by Mark. Pass to number 3. Almost a turnover. Back to Mark. Number 1 single. Separating. Foul. Side ball.
Reps up.
Reps up. Foul on number 4. Pushing foul on number 4. Side ball. Stop. Rep. Stop. San Pablo in. Xander out. Number 14. Nice. Number 5, take a shot, Rojas. No good. Stop. Foul on number 3, pushing foul.
Third personal foul, number 3.
Bounded by Ian. Pass to number 7, 3-point shot. No good. And bounded by number 2. 3 Racing. Number 2. Pass to 17. Number 14.
Seconds remaining time.
Oops, steal again, number 2. Number 14. Steal by number 22. 22 pass to 7. Basket by number 7. Number 3.
20 seconds.
Pass. Nice pass by number 3 to 14. Basket. Number 22 pass to Rojas. Layup. No good. Good back. No good again. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Time. Sorry. Ano oras? End of the third quarter. Fourth quarter. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter.
One thing. We're doing transition. Sino to? Always.
Fourth quarter na.
Start of the fourth quarter. Yaki in pass number 7. 3-point shot. Basket by number 7. 3 points.
Where is it?
Table pass to Steve by Ian. Ian to Rojas. Rojas. No good. Block. Oops. Foul. Foul number 1. Cinco.
Spread out, spread out. Enough time to go. 2, 3.
Rojas, 3-point shot. No good. Rebounded by number 2. Number 7. Number 0. Basket by Rojas. Number 14. Oh, it's still again. Oh, counter steal by Mark. Number 14. Power move by number 14. I'm sorry. Foul on number 18. 2 shots for number 14. Mr. Balingit. First throw. Basket. Good shot by Mr. Balingit. Last throw. Good again by Mr. Balingit. Number Ross, pass to 18. Same ball. Blue ball. 18. Bounding the ball. Ian. Ian, pass to 0. Steal. Number 3. Foul.
Inbound, inbound. What are you doing? Inbound, here, inbound. Inbound. Closer.
Mark, pass to 5. Back to Mark. Ay! Sorry. Bad pass. Number 0, pass to number 7, 3-point shot! Good! 3 points! Mark, foul by Mr. Bazon. Number 7 foul.
Second personal.
Mark, pass to Cinco. Cinco looking for number 2. Harassing. Pensive. Pensive. Pensive foul, number 3. Number 3, pensive foul. Pass to Banson. Banson, taking on 3. No good. Steal. Oops, steal again. Number 13. Power move by number 14. It's foul. Double foul. 3 and 7. Double foul. 3 and 7. Who's foul? Who's foul?
Number 3, 5 personal foul.
Number 3, 5 ka na. 5 personal foul ka na. Back to 14. Traveling by number 14. Traveling to Japan. Oop. Okay, there's a base. Number 0. Dribbling ball, pass to Rojas. Pass to 0. Ah, not good. Cinco. Layup. No good. Ian. With the ball. Ian. Pass to Rojas. Rojas. Basket. And 1. Bonus shot for Mr. Rojas. The proud father is over there.
Shot.
Kaway-kaway lang. Very proud. Bonus shot for number 5, Mr. Rojas. Sasoko. Oh, lucky bounce for Mr. Rojas. Back to number 2, pass to Zico, Zico, back to Mark, layup. Oh, shucks, sorry. Foul on number 4. How many time remaining?
Second personal foul.
Time remaining, boss.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
3 minutes. Only. Number 2. Yellow last touch. Blue ball.
Sander! Woohoo! Settle down!
Sander.
Go down, go down.
Harassing by Mark. Sander, layup. No good. Number 2. Pass to 17. Cinco. Pass to 2. Foul.
Sander, Sander!
2 shots for number 2.
Number 2, fourth personal foul.
2 shots for number 2. Too strong, the first try.
Derek, take a shot, take a shot. Come on, takot, take a shot.
Last throw. Nice.
Up, doing up.
Last shot is good. And Rojas. Pass to number 0. 3-point basket! By San Pablo. 3 points!
Remaining time, 1 minute,
Number 2.
45 seconds.
14. Number 2. No good. Foul on number 8.
Francis,
Foul Junior.
up. Just hold the ball, he's hold.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Thank you, Mark. First shot. Basket by number 2. Last shots. Under 1 minute left. Ball game. Bam!
Left sub, left sub.
Stop.
Sander, play one. No, play one, Sander, play one.
Rojas cross the line. The hotline pass to 0. San Pablo. 3 points. Almost. Number 2, Cinco.
30 seconds. Remaining time.
Number 1, Cinco. Pass to number 2. Pass to Mark. Mark. Number 20.
15,
Dani Pablo. Layup of pass to number 4. Oh, turnover.
10,
10 seconds left.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.